guys, welcome to my channel. And how are you guys doing? I guess you are doing fine. Like you can see, I'm in the kitchen and I'm about to prepare Nigeria fried rice. Yes, a special Nigeria fried rice prepared by me, your Ole, Wisely, Mo, TV. Yes, I can also cook. I do everything, bro. So I hope you enjoy it. So you want to see how to prepare this? Just follow me and I'm going to give you a rundown on how to prepare Nigeria fried rice, and it's very delicious. You don't want to try that. Yeah, see you. So let me show you.
We serve you with the best.
Some onions, we need some carrot, some red and yellow paprika, and some garlic. I love garlic. And we need some green beans. We need some green beans, some garlic, some green beans, and of course some onions. Yes, and we also need the rice, and I'll be showing you guys later my cooked and spiced chicken for this stuff. So I'm already hungry. I guess you guys also. So thanks for watching. These are all the stuff we need. We need some red paprika, yellow, depends on what you want. So guys, let's start by chopping the onions and the vegetables. So the red paprika, the green beans, the yellow paprika, the carrot. So the chicken is being cooked. So I have some inside this cooking pot. I have some chicken and some turkey, some really nice looking turkey and some chicken. So I use some chicken and some turkey. So the chicken is being cooked, and at the same time we'll be washing the rice also. So I will wash the rice. I wash it about 2 or 3 times, just to get this dirt away from it, and the fat also. So I wash it about 3 times. Then the chicken is already cooked. I didn't cook it for a very long time, for about I think 6 to 7 minutes. So I'm spicing it right now. So I will show you the spice I'm using to spice it. I will show you in some couple of minutes or seconds. So the rice will be put inside this water. So I will be adding this rice inside this water, the water from the cooked chicken. Yes. So I'll add the rice to the water from the cooked chicken, to cook the rice for some couple of minutes. The rice should be actually cooked, but not really that soft. So the chicken, I've spiced the chicken actually. So the chicken is being spiced with marinade from Coke. It's called No. So I used it to spice it. Then this is the water. So the chicken will be going to the oven. There's some burnt skin. So the rice is already added inside the water with a bit of curry and some no spice, some no cube. So I add some no cube and some water and a little bit of salt, because I already have salt in the water. So be careful not to add too much salt to it. Just test it and see, have your own gauge. So I have my own gauge, so I will put it on salt. So the rice is being cooked. I will cook the rice for some, I think 10 minutes or so, 7 to 10 minutes. So then I'll be using this oil to fry the vegetables. I'll use this oil to fry the vegetables. The rice is almost done, so I'm just checking it. Make sure you're always checking it and reduce the temperature when necessary. So the oil is being hot. So I just heat it a little bit. Then I had my garlic, which I love. Without garlic, I don't think I will be cooking this. Yes, I love garlic. I don't know about you. So I had my onions. I had the onions on it, which bring out this flavor, the nice flavor. So I had my onions. So I fried the onions for about 1 minute or so. This is a low cook anyway, so I had my green beans to eat. So I just fry this also for some couple of seconds or minutes. And then add the other vegetables, which are the yellow and red paprika. So just add the paprika to it, and then fry for some couple of minutes. You can add some Magi cube if you want. There's some taste from the vegetables. So later on, you just add the rice to eat. Just add the rice to eat. At the same time, you try to also turn the rice. The rice was already cooked, so it was already cooked. A bit of this is jelly, so I had some curry, which you saw before. So here we have it. We have our rice, fried rice. Nice.
There you have it, done. Yes, I said by me. So here you have it, finished product. I guess you want to test this with me? Yes. Thanks for watching, thanks for liking, and I really appreciate. Please don't forget to subscribe and watch other of my video. I love you guys, and keep following and keep learning and keep coming through, and I believe you will reach your goal. So bless you, peace out. Thanks for sharing, thanks for subscribing. I love you guys. I'm just trying to share my motivation, my ideas, and let you know that I also encourage you and let you know that you can also do the same. There's nothing stopping you from reaching your goal. It depends on you, and only you can make it happen for yourself. So everything I do is just for encouragement and also to put a smile on your face. So